The Pearl is a laser with a new wavelength at 2790 nanometers. It can give you full epidermal renewal after 1 or 2 treatments without any oozing or weeping, and full recovery after 3 or 4 days. Pearl Fractional is using the same 2790 wavelength, but we're using it as a ablative fractional laser. Ablative meaning it's such a powerful laser that you'll vaporize tiny columns of skin with the treatment, and fractional meaning we're not going to treat the whole skin, but only about 20% of the tissue. What that means is that we'll remove 20% of your skin, but it's surrounded by nice healthy tissue. That gives you nice fast recovery times because you get the epidermal migration from the healthy skin, and you'll have recovery in about 4 or 5 days. I like to give the analogy of a house. So Pearl treats sort of the upper floors and the roof. The Pearl Fractional treats the ground floor and the basement, and a Pearl Fusion is actually simply the combination of both. So once we've got a patient all numbed out and they're on the table, we're able to do both Pearl and the Pearl Fractional to give you the Pearl Fusion. The Pearl series is excellent for fine to moderate wrinkling. It's also very good for mild to moderate sun damage, as well as acne scarring and overall skin tightening. The Pearl series of treatments are a little bit more aggressive than your typical laser treatments, so we find that the downtime is a little bit more. It can range from 2 to 3 days to sometimes 4 to 5 days, depending on your skin type. The treatment can be uncomfortable, so again, we will numb out the skin with a very strong topical anesthetic beforehand, just to make the treatment a little bit more comfortable. I find it's quite important that during the time of the consultation with the physician, that the recovery process and the expectations are clearly laid out so that there won't be any surprises afterwards. The results of the collagen gained from the Pearl series of treatments will last for years, subject to a person's own sort of gradual aging process. So if you stay away from the sun, protect yourself with sunscreen and avoid smoking, then the results will last for a longer period of time. An ablative fractional resurfacing is more aggressive than the non-ablative fractional resurfacing. With the ablative treatments, the energy is absorbed much better, and so it penetrates more deeply and will give you a better treatment. But with both treatments, the thing to remember is that they are fractional. We're only treating a portion of the skin, and so there's lots of nice, healthy tissue surrounding it that leads to a much faster recovery.